Similarly, again semicolon. So LET, some E is equal to even like this. We need to access like this and we need to define like this. That is how we write the properties of iterator. We write the properties of iterator. Let's see one simple example how to deal with that. A simple example how we can handle this, how we can manage this. Let's see one simple example for this, right? Layout. How we can design, how we can work with that. Fine, let's see. So how to use these attributes one by one we will discuss. And these data types are important to understand. Index is returning a number. It returns the iterator index number. Let's see how we can use it. For that, I will add a new component here. So ng generate component. So here iterator component. So then skip test equal to true. Skip test equal to true. Okay. Iterator component. I am adding an iterator component. Fine. Let's keep that iterator component in the startup. Iterator component in the startup. So in the startup, iterator component. Okay. And in the index app, it will be iterator. So when items are default added, it will use the component name with prefix app by default. So you can simply handle that. Now iterator is working fine. So this is iterator. Now how to deal with that? One by one we will see. First example, how to use index, how we can manage index. Okay, let's see. So we will go to the design now. So let's go to the iterator. So here iterator. Yeah. So iterator, I will get into this that file, TS file. In the iterator TS file, let's make some changes. I don't need on in it as of now. So then it's not requiring any implements also. Okay, and I don't need these page constructors as of now. Later we will use them. Later we will learn what is the importance for them. The rest of options, everything is simple, normal, as we design generally. Like now here I'm adding so a collection called products collection. It's an array. In this we are adding the products collection. That means I said product ID. I'm defining an ID. So I'm adding a name. So ID is 1. So a name. So some name and price and some price. Okay. As of now, just these details are enough. So we can use so many so that we will later see how to handle the other details also. Initially, I am just using these details. So the product ID, the name and price, some 3 details are there. So 2 and 3. And Samsung TV, some mobile, some details, some Nike casuals. Okay. Some price. So we defined some price and some data. Okay, that's it. We have some details. This is a products collection. I need to present this in the UI. So let's go to iterator HTML. In the iterator HTML, so here I am keeping a div and a class as container, container fluid. Okay, and I will keep a heading. So here I will just keep products details. Okay, products details. And here I will just keep a div, and in the div we are designing just a class as a row. Okay, in this a div, two divs are there. Okay, and this div is using the class call 3. Okay, and this is using call some 9. Okay, usually generally you know that uh, total number of columns supported on the screen is 12 columns, right? Generally in Bootstrap, 3 columns, one first one, second one is 9. Okay, so here, so I am defining as a heading as some register product. So here I am defining another as details. Okay, product catalog, products catalog, something like this. Okay, and let's keep this class as text center and the text primary. Okay, this is the actual design. So we kept this design here. We have a products catalog, register product, and details. Okay, now here in this, it can be like 4, 8 combination you can give, then it will change its right like this, means how much it is occupying. And wherever it is having the column, so we can put a vertical option. Suppose I said here I will just keep CSS, and here we will have call 4 class. So we'll have border right. So that is 2 pixel. So that is a dashed and a dark cyan. Okay, like this. That means the border right for that will be this. Then it can keep the border in this way. So just we are keeping a separator here. We are keeping a separator here. That is the basic separator here. That is the 100% screen size. Okay, fine. Now right side in the details. So here I am configuring right side in the details. So I want to display the product details, and here I will create a table. Table will have a class called a table and a table hover and a head in the th. I will print only name and a price. These details, only 2 details we are printing. And in the table body, and I'm defining tr. This row should repeat for every product. Then ngFor is equal to let item, or simply product of products. In that first cell, I need to display product dot